You will first need to create an Autodesk account. Go to this website and then fill in this information. You will need to use your school email and then make sure you record your password somewhere where you can look it up if you forget it. Agree to the terms and create account. You will then need to open up your email that you registered with and confirm your account. You should see an email and you will need to select Verify Email. Then go back to Autodesk and log in. To install Fusion 360 on your personal device, first visit this website. Then select Get Started and enter your email and your password that you just registered with. Then choose your country and your educational role along with your school or institution, and then enter your birth date and select Next. Choose your area of study, and then also you're going to have to look up your school. Type in your enroll date and then your graduation date. Select Get Started, and then scroll down until you see Fusion 360 and confirm. Notice this message requiring you to confirm your educational role. So select Try Again, and then either upload your transcript or your school ID by choosing this option right here. Once your account's confirmed, navigate back to the screen and choose Access under Fusion 360. This will then download the client file that will allow you to install the application. Once you have it downloaded, by default it will go to your Downloads folder using a Mac, so find that client downloader and run it. Once it's installed, you can then install the Fusion 360 application and you'll be ready to start working.